My name is Bobby Neset. I work for Basin Electric and I'm a civil engineer there. Traditionally, Basin Electric has used ACSR Conductor for all of our transmission projects. It's been used in the industry for almost 100 years now, and what we're looking to do is find a new solution to help meet rating requirements that we need for our regional transmission organization called SPP. So at this voltage class, for this project that we're at today for Neset to Northshore for 230 kV, we need to hit around 2,000 amps. So Basin's standard conductor no longer met that, so we started looking at new options to do that, and the TS conductor presented enough advantages that we decided to switch to that conductor for this project. Because it has the carbon fiber core, the conductor sags less, so it has higher thermal capacity. That, with the additional tension capacity it has allowed us to see enough steel savings in our structure design to offset the cost of the marginal increase in the conductor cost. The original design we had with our traditional conductor was around 185 structures, and I think we're closer to 162 structures on the project. And so either by increasing spacing or reducing the structure height, we're able to save steel either way. That has the added benefit to landowners. We're trying to reduce the impact on them and on farming operations here. So there's some additional benefit to using that type of design as well. There's other products available too, so we could bundle ACSR or ACSS, but after talking with our maintenance groups, the simplicity of working with a single conductor, its size matches what we have in inventory, and the other nice thing about this conductor is the tooling for installation and splices is very similar. The process is very similar to what we have in our system currently. So with those advantages and then just getting the extra capacity with that and the steel savings, we thought it was worth trying out for this project.